Here goes Jolene trying to force the ball in her asshole again.
It's a big ass anal bead.
Catching flies.
So cool. Baby. Okay. No. My ass is very wet.
Why'd your ass get wet?
Jump in now.
Joe, turn around. Oh, well, you can't see on here, but Jolene's ass is all...
My legs. Your turn, Kristen.
Okay.
Oh, man, that sucks.
You have to hang on that long, I will end up in the water. See, I'll please
No,
come
you just stand on top of it. You don't use any of your arms. Just don't grab the metal wire.
This thing's all wet. You can get your asshole all wet.
Yeah, like you haven't had that problem before. Timon! Oh, whoops. Uh-oh. No, no! See? Uh-huh. This is what I warned you people about. Oh, yeah!
Well, don't let go of the rope.
Oh, God, Kristen! Oh, my God! And she never let go of the rope. That's awesome.
Oh, that is like fucking quicksand. It is.
Chrissy, are you okay? Nothing's gonna happen, guys.
Everybody else.
You know what? No, this is fucking awesome. Usually it's me that always got fucked. This is a good day.
Why does that not sound familiar?
What are you talking about? What are you trying to make jokes for? And this is Kristen, all fucking soaking wet. This is awesome.
Why is it that Josh is the only one trying to save me?
I got the dog. She's always busy recording.
Yeah, and the recorder.
This sucks ass.
And there's a way to turn it off black and white.
Don't do the foot thing.
Fuck you. I'm the only one that has not gone swimming.
How deep do you think it is?
It's probably pretty deep.
Right in the
Kristen, could you
middle.
even touch when you went all the way down? I like how you just kind of paddle boated back. That's awesome. I have that all recorded.
Do a backflip?
No, baby, don't do a backflip, please. There's cement rocks in there, please.
Yeah, the only thing I'd say is it's pretty low. And
Yeah.
a lot of concrete in there.
Sure, he takes the advice when y'all say it, but when his head is split open after I tell him.
You saw that concrete down there. I don't know. Yeah.
You can go uno mas, but I can't guarantee to catch you because I'm not all big and strong.
I wouldn't.
Drop down and get your eagle on, girl. Who went first? Was it Josh?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. You ready, babe? Uh-oh. Oh, 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 dear. You okay?
I think you should get wet. You're the only one that's not wet.
Who are you talking to?
And you. Never
Josh?
mind.
Josh has saved every one of y'all.
Yeah, you don't have to get wet because you saved my life.
Yeah, you're
But
good.
you have to
You're
get
fucked.
wet.
You're getting wet.
I don't want to get wet. It's not my fault. I'm better
Get
than
wet.
y'all.
Come on.
I'm not getting wet.
Come on.
You see that? That's wet.
Get wet. Just go one more time then.
Y'all are assholes because y'all are going to push me back. I already know how this is going. You got this. Give that to somebody else because none of their bitch asses are going to come and save me. They're just going to laugh.
Don't catch her.
I heard that!
Just go.
My ass is all wet. Thank you guys.
1,
I'm gonna
2,
dance it.
3.
Ah! Oh, I almost fell. Okay. Baby, what the...
Hold on. Oh, shit. Oh, go. Oh, man.
Don't catch her!
That was me walking on water. Oh my god.
is, Jolene's the only one that looks like she shit in her pants. I think I broke my finger.
He's gonna sit in the water.
Dude, just sit in it.